Hi folks, today I'm at another orchard or Happy Jack's pumpkin farm here in Frankfort. So I'm going to take you along with me, and here to get animals, a corn maze, maybe hay rides. We'll see what they have here today. So come along with me, and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And look at all those people coming in. Okay, and well, folks, over there is a goat bridge. And I don't know if the goats are out today. Well, I do see one over here. And there's a goat bridge. Alright, we're gonna get over here and see some goats. Hello, goat. There you are. Although you look like okay. I think you're a baby cow. Hi there, goats. We got mama and baby here. Yeah. And yeah. Can you look into the camera? Hello, yes. Hi there. How you doing? Hello. How you doing?
No, she checked it a couple times, and then it was my breakfast sandwich that I was
Ducks?
spiking it in the morning, and so I had to put, yeah. And then when I gave those up, it was fine for her.
And there's a goat ready to climb that bridge. Yes? Can you smile for me? And yes, we're over at the pumpkin house now. White pumpkins over here. And gourds, and gourds, and more gourds. But I'll tell you what, I've never seen so many pumpkins. I don't know what to do. Yeah, look who's here. The skeletons are out. Yep. The witch is in. More gourds. Wow, what a ceiling full of gourds. Happy Halloween. Oh well, rubber duckies and more gourds. And of course we got the skeleton over here taking a bath. In a bath full of white pumpkins. Of course some more gourds over here. And more gourds. And look, this is a playground. And in there we've got a corn maze. Okay, and over here's the wagon ride, and here it is, folks. So I'm gonna hop. Okay, over here I'm getting ready to hop on a wagon ride. Well. And it looks like I may be the only one on it. Well, we'll see.
I think there's one more paper.
Well, okay, I've got a few other people joining me. All right. Okay, now we're going into the patch. I think we're on the great lookout for the great pumpkin, Charlie Brown. Ooh, and there's corn. So on this side I've got a pumpkin patch, and on the other side I've got a corn maze. Yes, riding great. I mean, this is what fall memories are made of, people. And over there looks like they could have a really good bonfire. And I'll tell you, it's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown.
You want to get a pumpkin?
Yes, please.
Oh boy, I think I'll go get me a pumpkin. And okay. Yeah, I think I'll get me a pumpkin and. Okay. All right, we're gonna get me a pumpkin and.
No more than 10 bucks. Oh, okay. Not bad at all. Yeah, she don't weigh them.
Okay.
Like the size, right? Yeah, the size.
I think I'm gonna get me a pumpkin and I'll see if I can carry this with one hand. Okay. Okay. Yes, I got me a pumpkin in. Let me see if I can turn the camera around. Okay, a little bit bigger than but I think this is all I'm going to be taking. Yes, well, bigger than I was planning, but I'll tell you. Okay, there's the pumpkin. There it is. There she is. And I don't know how to get a good size comparison. Okay, let me see if I can. There we go. There we go, folks, for the viewers at home. And she weighs quite a bit. I think I may have to get one of those pumpkin wheelbarrows. Okay. I'm walking along the pumpkin patch. And let's see if we can get another pumpkin. Okay, let's see what we can find here. I don't want one too big either. Hi. Getting this pumpkin right out from the dirt. Okay, I think I'm going to take one of these smaller ones here. There we go. And this is a smaller pumpkin. And of course, folks, here's like a second pumpkin coming to you.
All right.
Now, folks, we're headed back towards the farm. And I'm looking for some more common gourds. And I have to admit, this is a nice way to get out of the house.
Sir, right there in front of us.
Okay.
Ground over there in front of us.
Okay, on the ground? Okay.
Yeah, you see that one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I do see it now, the peanut style pumpkin.
All right, here we go.
And we're turning back around. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, I better put my feet on my pumpkin here. And we're back here to the corn maze, and then we'll be checking back in. Okay, we're almost back to the main gate. And here's one of the huge barns now.
Hey, did you say thank you?
This is my spending spree right here. There it is. There she is. There's the spending spree. Yes, and so we're getting ready to pay. And such a great place to come visit. And folks, this is something I forgot to tell you, but if you can see the goats on the bridge, that's what people come here to see.